Hi, Dan from Cloudsmith here. In this video, we are going to look at how quickly and easily you can get started with a private Cloudsmith repository to store and distribute your Lua Rocks modules. I've logged into my Cloudsmith account and I have an examples repo here that we will use for this demo. This repository contains example packages of each format that we support, and we can do this because Cloudsmith repositories are fully multi-tenant for package formats. All of the package types we support can be hosted from one repository, while still maintaining compatibility with all the native tooling for each package type. Of course, you can create a repository for each format if you want to, but you're not restricted to do so. Because a Cloudsmith repository can contain any mix of the package formats we support, you can structure your repositories within your organization in whatever way fits your individual purpose best, such as by project, or product, or even by team. So let's upload a Lua package to this repository, and we can see how to do this by clicking Upload and selecting the package type Lua Rocks. We can upload our package right here via the web interface, but if we check the upload setup documentation, we can see the alternative ways to upload. As we just said, we can use the web UI, but we can also upload using the Cloudsmith API, and we include examples of the required API calls, or via the Cloudsmith command line, using the Cloudsmith push Lua Rocks command, which is what you will likely want to use if automating this via a CI/CD process or a build pipeline. So let's see it in action. I just used the Cloudsmith push Lua Rocks command with my Cloudsmith organization name and my repository name and my Lua Rocks package file name. The package is now uploading to Cloudsmith and has started to synchronize. Synchronization is where we process a package, extract the metadata, and make the package available for download. And that's it complete. The package has been uploaded and has synchronized. If we now return to our repository, we see our new package. And if we just click on the package name, we see the metadata that was extracted during synchronization. We can see the README for the package if it has one. We can see a list of files within the package, and also any older or newer versions of this package. We can also see a log of events for the package and package download statistics. Finally, we can view the install instructions for this package, where we provide copy and paste instructions to install this package using the Lua Rocks install command, and also how to specify this repository right alongside the install command. In addition, if we check the install setup instructions, we can see details of how to persist the settings for this repository in our Lua Rocks config file. We provide another copy and paste snippet all ready to go. As this is a private repository, we need to authenticate in order to be able to pull this package and install it. And you can choose the authentication method that you wish to use here. We offer two types of authentication: read-only entitlement tokens, of which you can create as many as you need, and add restrictions to each token that control which packages it has access to and for how long, and also HTTP basic authentication using a password, API key, or token. But for now, we will just use the default access token for this repo, and this token is then embedded in the URL for the repo in the setup instructions. So let's give it a try. All we need to do is just copy the setup instructions, and then in our terminal, we just open our Lua Rocks configuration file and paste the setup details in. We then save and close the file. Now we just need to run Lua Rocks install Cloudsmith Lua example to install our Lua Rocks module. The package has been downloaded from our private Cloudsmith repo and has been installed. And if we now try to run the package, we can see that it works. It's as simple as that. I hope that this short video demonstrates how easy it is to get started with your own private repository for your Lua Rocks modules on Cloudsmith. If you'd like to find out more, just go to cloudsmith.com where you can sign up for your free trial. And remember to be awesome and automate everything.